Today is my favorite day. He made it a special day. I love tomorrow, yesterday, but today is my favorite day. How are you, my little angels? I hope you're well. I'm well. I hope you have enjoyed your learning throughout the session. Now, it's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. We did the place value and I showed you how to do the putting the sticks together, bundles of sticks together and counting in tens. Now today we have been asked to add using place value. And we are adding the 2-digit numbers to a 1-digit number. For example, I've been given here 34 plus 2. And as the word place value means, you must place each number where it's supposed to be. For example, here, when I look at 4, what is the place value of 4? We said we start with the ones, then we come to the tens. So the place value of 4 is ones. So what am I saying? I'm adding the ones first. I will say 4 ones plus 2 ones. 4 ones plus 2 ones. What is 4 plus 2? When you hear ones, it means all of them are girls. So you are able to add. They have no problem adding the numbers directly. But if here it will have been ones and here tens, you know it's like adding boys and girls. Can you tell people we have 6 girls? No. Now, when you're talking about adding ones, you'll say 4 plus 2 gives us 6 ones. Now, here we have tens. We move from ones and then we are going to tens. Now, 3 tens is equals to which number? We have now adding 3 tens. And do we have a 10 here? No, because we don't have a 10. Which number is supposed to put there before that number? A 0. So it will represent 0 tens. What was our rule when we are doing addition of numbers? Any number added to 0 is? Any number added to 0 is? Janet. Any number added to a 0 is that number. Any number added to a 0 is that number. So in this case, 3 plus 0 will be 3 tens plus 0 tens will be 3 tens plus 0 tens will be 3 tens. And now we are asking ourselves, 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones gives us which number? They give us 3 and 6, which will be 36. Now, let's use another method to confirm if our answer is correct. We have been given 34 plus 2. If we use count on, let's see. Put the big number in the head, 34 in the head, 2 fingers out. So we say 34, 35, 36. So our method is correct. Our answer is 36. So our method is correct. We have been given here another question telling us we add 48 plus 1. 48 plus 1. First, we said we must identify the place value of the numbers. These numbers are the same because they are in the ones place value. This one is different because it is in the tens place value. So what do we add first? You add the numbers in the ones place value first. Ones are on this side. Which hand is this? Class, which hand is this? This is the right hand. So our ones are always on the right hands. And then our 10 are always on the left hand. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Continue. Ones, tens. So we are saying, we will say 8 ones plus 1 ones. So our 8 ones are there. Then we add on the ones. So it's like adding 8 girls to 1 girl. How many will you get? 9. Then we come. We said here we have a 4, 10. Any other number here? No. We said when there's no number, what do you put there? A 0. 1 and 0, 1 simply means the same thing. So what do? We come here and write 8 4 tenths. 4 tenths plus 0 tenths. What is 4 tenths plus 0 tenths? 4 tenths plus 0 tenths gives us 4. We said any number plus a 0 is that number. So if I'm told to add this, now going downwards, it is simply like this. Find the place value. The ones are on this side, the tens are on this side. Plus, I'm adding a 1. So I put the ones together, and here I'll say 8 in the head, 1 finger out. So I'll say 8, 9. So I get here a 9. Now I have 4 here. Do I have a number down here? No. My number could be 0. So we say 4 plus 0 is 4. So our answer will be 49. The same way here, if I'm told now, write that work going, this one is a horizontal manner. Now we are writing it in a vertical way. And I've been told to add this in a vertical way. I will come and say 34 plus, we said where there is no number, what do you put there? A 0. So it will be 0, 2, which simply means 2. So you add. What is 4 plus 2? 4 in my head, 2 fingers out. So we are saying 4 ones plus 2 ones is equals to 6 ones. And 3 tens plus 0 tens should give you a 36. So you should know how to add this going vertically and going horizontally. Teacher, and what if we have been given a number like 93 plus 3? Still the same thing. Ask yourself, where is the ones? The ones place value are appearing on which hand? The right hand. We are saying ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. So the right hand says ones is the right hand, tens is the left hand. So you come and ask yourself, write it going down. And we are asking ourselves, because there is no number here, what do we put there? A 0, so that you avoid writing this number like this. This is a 1, and this is a 1, and this is a 10. So you cannot add a 1 on a 10. It's like when you're adding boys and girls. So to avoid writing this number like this, put the number before that number as 0 to show that there is only one number in that question. And when you come, ask yourself, 3 ones plus 3 ones is equals to 3 plus 3. Put the 3 in the head, 3 fingers out. Then you say 3, 4, 5, 6. And you get there a 6. And we said any number plus a 0 is that number. Any number plus a 0 is that number. So what is 9 plus 0? 9 plus 0 is a 9. So you get 9 tens and 6 ones. And the teacher will give you a very big mark with a smiley face for having done your work very well. So I hope there will be no problem, because I want to give you an assignment. When you go home, try and do this out. Try and do this out. That one, we are going to do both horizontally and vertically, so that we see who has not understood what we are supposed to do. And remember, this one can also be written like this one, and this one can also be written like this one. It is only the formations, the line formations that have changed. But the question is still can be written vertically or horizontally, depending on what you love most. But one thing you should keep in mind is the numbers on this side are the ones. The numbers on this side are the ones. And the numbers on this side are the tens. Here, the numbers on this side are the ones. Ones on the left. And on the right hand, we are saying the numbers on the right hand are tens. So, I hope we'll have no problem again adding 2-digit number and 1-digit number using the place value. Are we together? It was a very nice interactive session that we have had with you, and I hope to see you next in the next edition of place value using the charts.